Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll introduce the Nawat Multicloud Network as a Service, or MCN as a Service. Once logged into the Nawat Marketplace, navigate to MCN as a Service. To begin, click Provision Service to start the workflow. The animation on this slide will help visualize each step in the workflow. Now, back on the service portal, you'll create an MCN service to connect your workloads in OCI and GCP. With this self-serve portal, you'll input essential service parameters like region, VPC, and subnet information for your workloads. Once ready, submit the service request. While this provisioning takes a few minutes, let's take a quick look at what's happening behind the scenes. Submitting the service request from the service portal triggers the Nawat backend, which initiates a series of API calls to the Arrcus Arc Orchestrator. First, Arc Orchestrator begins deploying Arc edges in OCI and GCP within the network environment you've selected. Next, once deployed, Arc Orchestrator configures these Arc edges to establish an overlay service between OCI and GCP. Finally, Arc Orchestrator configures the workload network to use this service for seamless communication between OCI and GCP. Now, let's take a closer look at the automation in action. As shown in the console, the automation starts with authentication, followed by deployment, using the same API calls to Arc Orchestrator regardless of whether it's GCP, OCI, or another cloud. You'll see the new VMs in a provisioning state within both OCI and GCP. Meanwhile, Arc Orchestrator Cluster continuously reports the state of new deployments and IP addresses. With deployment complete, the next step is service configuration. Let's dive into the Arc edges. In both OCI and GCP, you'll see service configuration messages confirming completion. Finally, the ping between the two workloads is successful. Thank you for watching.